Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Thakkali Kosamali. This Thakkali Kosamali is a side dish for idly, dosa and Idhayappam. It's a chettinad recipe. It's very easy to make. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make Thakkali Kosamali. I have taken half kg of tomato, mixed country as well as nut. Chop the tomatoes finely. Then 2 big potatoes, peel and chop it. Few small onions, chop it nicely. According to spiciness, take green chilies, finely chop it or just cut it into 2 pieces. Curry leaf, red chilli, take 2 or 4 pieces like that. Asafoetida, salt, mustard seeds, broken urud dal, cooking oil. Now in a cooker, add finely chopped potato, then add finely chopped tomato, add chopped green chilli. Either you add now or add it for seasoning. Just pour water till it gets immersed. Pressure cook for 1 whistle and 10 minutes in sim. Now it's pressure cooked. Filter the excess water. Don't throw this water away. Just keep it aside. Now using the masher, mash all the tomato and potatoes. If you don't want to add green chilli, then you can add green chilli while you season it. So after mashing it nicely, add the strained water also. Just mix it one time and keep it aside. Just pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil on a vessel. Season it with mustard seeds, broken urud dal, add dry red chilli, allow it to splutter, add asafoetida, then add finely chopped small onions, sort it well, keep it till onion gets cooked, add curry leaves. If you are going to give it for small babies, then add green chilli in this stage. Then only the spiciness won't enter too much into the gravy. Don't add green chilli while you pressure cook. Otherwise, if it is for adult, you can prepare in the same method. Now add the mashed gravy. Allow it to boil. Add required amount of salt. Just keep it in flame for 10 minutes. No need to overcook because potato, tomato and all already it is pressure cooked only, no. So just 10 minutes of cooking is enough. Thakkali Kosamali is ready now.